Hello everyone, my name is Reema and today we are continuing with the second lesson of your English grammar book, nouns. And as you already know that we have already discussed what are countable and uncountable nouns, proper and common nouns, abstract and material nouns, as well as what are nouns and noun phrases. Today we are going to talk about the last topic of this chapter, which is known as collective nouns, as you can see it on the screen. First of all, what are collective nouns? So, collective nouns, they are used when you want to specifically refer to a collection of, let's say, people, collection of, let's say, things, objects, animals. So these are the special words which are used to name the collection. Right, you are not referring to one person, one animal, or one object. You are referring to the whole group and you are naming them all as one single group. Okay, for example, for naming a group of directors, I will say a board of directors, as you can see it on the image here, a board of directors. So board of directors, in that directors will be your noun, but the board will be your collective noun, which is referring to all the directors in that group. So we will know in this video what to call a particular collection. Right, for example, for people only, that is collective noun for people, there are so many words which you use to refer to a group. Okay, so we'll go and take a look at all the words which are used to refer to the collection one by one. First of all, a board of directors. What do you call a trustees as well? Group of trustees, that is also a board. Even chess players, okay, they are also called a board of chess players. And a boast of barristers, lawyers, right? Barristers, a boast, that is not board, that is boast of barristers. Then if the man are unknown and you are referring to them, then you can say a body of man, a body of pathologist, then a caravan of gypsies, a caravan of travelers, right? A cast of actors or players, those who are participating in a movie or a drama, you can say a cast. A catalogue of librarians, a cavalcade of horsemen, okay, group of horsemen, they are known as cavalcade. A chapter of canons, right, canons. A choir of singers, the singers who sing in group, they are known as choir. A circle of friends, if you have a lot of friends and you are referring to the group, then you can say my friend circle or circle of friends. A class of pupils, as you all know, class of students. Then a clutch of wrestlers and a college of cardinals. Then a colony of microbiologists and a confusion of philosopher, right? So here we are with some of the interesting collective nouns for people. Then comes up the next one, which is also there for people: a doctrine of doctors, a draught of butlers, a drift of lecturers, a dynasty of kings, right? For king we use dynasty. A faith of merchants, a fist of brewers, a fighting of beggars, right? A flock of tourists, a flood of plumbers, a fortitude of graduate students, fortitude, those who are graduating, a gaggle of women, a gang of workmen, a gang of criminals, a gang of hoodlums, a gang of laborers, even a gang of prisoners, robbers, or even thieves, right? So here we are done with the collective nouns for people. Let's take a look at the collective nouns for some mammals. We'll not go through all of them, but some. Okay, for example, a clouder of cats, a cohort of zebras, a colony of rabbits, or a colony of rats, or even seals, a field of racehorses, or a fall of lambs, a sounder of pigs, and a pack of dogs, or even pack of wolves, a trip of goats, or a troop of monkeys, right? So here we are done with the mammals also. I will share another image wherein you can get a group for all the things, all the collective nouns. Now collective nouns or sea animals. You are sometimes asked in the exam to choose a particular noun for a particular type of fish. So I've taken it specially, like float of tuna, a glint of goldfish, a herd of seahorses, a fleet of bass, a shoal of fish, a swarm of dragonet fish, or a squad of squid, a company of angelfish, a party of rainbow fish. Likewise, okay, you can note down all of them while pausing the video if you wish. Now, a collective nouns for partitive, or collective and partitive nouns for things. This is not only a collective, but when the whole collection is there, when you are referring to part of that is known as partitive nouns. Okay, so we are taking a look at both of them, collective as well as partitive. For example, a tube of toothpaste, that is collective. A piece of jewelry, that is, out of a lot of collection of jewelry, you are referring to one piece. So that is a partitive noun, not collective noun, right? A pile of money, a drop of rain, a bunch of keys, a deck of cards, a bar of soap, a battery of tastes, a chest of drawers, a ball of wool, a fleet of ships, a fleet of vehicles, a gallon of gasoline. You can use gallon for any of the liquids. Milk also. A pair of shoes, a library of books, a grove of trees, a roll of film, a piece of paper, a set of tools, and an album of photographs. So these are some collective and partitive nouns. Now, for the food items and drinks, a bar of chocolate, a batch of cakes, a bottle of milk, a bowl of rice, a bowl of soup, a box of cereal, a can of soda, a carton of milk, a cup of tea, a jar of honey, a glass of water, a loaf of bread, a piece of chocolate, and a slice of bread, a pile of cookies, slice of pizza, a piece of cheese, a kilo of meat, a jug of water, or a kilo of sugar. I hope you are clear with the collective nouns. Here I've shared a list of collective nouns for people. Okay, you can note it down while pausing the video, right? You don't need to remember them all, but you can remember the popular or famous ones which are more often used in the conversation, so that you can use them in the filling the blanks or matching pair exercises. Here is for animals. You can pause the video and note them down all if you wish, like ambush of tiger or gang of weasels, sloth of bears. So they are some important ones, right? Then for the things as well, again you can note down the video and note it down. Okay, I hope you are done with it and you remember which word to use for a which group of or which collective nouns. Now a last thing, that is collective nouns for thing, and there is one exercise which I wish that you will solve yourself and you will match them. Like a bowl of will go with rice, a collection of will go with, yes, it will go with coins, a bowl of, that is hay, a bouquet of flowers, a slice of pizza, and veil of, yes, lightning, right? The next one, 7th, a chest of drawers, a cloud of dust, a stack of papers, a flight of dust, a tube of toothpaste, and a loaf of bread. So here you are done with the last topic of the nouns, that is collective nouns. I hope that you are clear with the lesson on nouns. If you have any doubts or queries, you can go online and search a bit more about any topic. Thank you everyone.